Hey everybody, welcome back to Redneck in a Hat. I'm Les. Today we have got a Tacpack. This is for May 2022. I'm gonna open it up, see what we got this month. I'll be just as surprised as you because I haven't seen it yet. Open it very carefully. Make sure nothing jumps out. Now, of course, looking in the box, see right here, we've got some tactical paper. We get tactical paper in every box. It's really nice of Tacpack. Put the tactical paper in here. See a card here? I'm going to pull a card out. All right. First thing coming out looks like might be something kind of nice. I have a feeling this is going to be a good box. Maybe the best box so far of 2022. What we got? Something from SOG. This here is the SOG fixed blade field knife. Anti-slip textured TPR handle. Includes a hard molded nylon sheath. Limited time warranty. It is full tang, but yeah, the blade length is 4.1 inches long, weighs 3.7 ounces. Of course, I said it was a fixed blade. Overall length is 8.5 inches. I'm gonna go ahead. I usually don't open a lot of these, but let's see if I can open this up without cutting myself. Pretty nice looking knife. Get the sheath out of here just so we can see what that looks like real quick. See how well the sheath, that's got a really nice grip to it. I like that. It's rubberized, so it grips good. If your hands are wet, whether you're skinning something, let's see here. It's sharp. Could probably be a little sharper, but no, it's definitely sharp. See how the sheath works. It's got a belt clip on the back side. Does have a rope cutter slot in the sheath, so you can cut rope without taking the blade out. That's what it looks like in the sheath. There's what it looks like out. It does say SOG on the handle, but I like that rubbered handle. Works really good when you got gloves on, especially like fleece gloves in the wintertime. It's got a thumb, serrated thumb edge right there for your thumb. Pretty nice knife. Probably one of the nicer knives. I like full tang, straight edge. Nothing wrong with folders, but it's nice to get. I hand it to Tacpack. It's nice to get a full tang knife. Something beside the folder. Next coming out. Oh, that's gonna be nice. This here is from techmat. It's a gun cleaning mat. I think this may be the first techmat they've had in their boxes. They've put gun cleaning mats in their boxes, but I don't think they've had one for techmat. And it is the AR-15 printed one. I'm gonna pull that out. Might as well. Pull the knife out. I might as well pull this out. Of course, they've got it all taped up here. And it even comes with a cleaning cloth. Let's see, I'm gonna read on here. Yeah, bonus includes free tech towel, microfiber firearm wipe. So if you wanted to wipe something up, you could probably use this on your glasses, lenses, as long as it was clean, didn't have any gun oil on it. I'll show you this. This is what that mat looks like. Long enough for an AR-15, probably not long enough for an AR-10 unless it's a short barrel, but pretty nice gun cleaning mat. Roll this up, get it out of the way. Now, is this it? Yep. This is from Zoom. It's a 2-pack, snap caps for $223. Practice loading and training, dry fire without damage, exact size of real ammo, safe storage. But we've gotten these before in Tacpacks. I think we had a 4-pack maybe a year or so ago, but I don't remember. It may have been from Zoom, I can't remember. And then we did get some 12 gauge snap caps. I'm wanting to say maybe last fall. I don't remember. It might have been last summer. But they got the little rubber ends where the primers go for your firing pin to hit. Snap caps from Zoom. Next is a shirt, dino shirt. A shirt 65 million years in the making. Pull this out. And I'm wearing one of Tacpack shirts we got. They do have some cool looking shirts that they send us. This is Rifle Things, kind of a spoof from Stranger Things on TV. This is from Jurassic Park, and it says Tacpack on it. It's kind of a cool shirt. Nothing on the back. It's just a cotton t-shirt, 50% cotton and polyester. Cool shirt. We've got a promo code in here for SOG. So if you like SOG stuff and you're wanting to order something from SOG, if you go on SOGknives.com, use the promo code TACPACK22, you get 25% off. 25% off. So if you bought a $100 knife, you get it for $75. Now I'm guessing it goes towards things besides knives, just anything on SOGknives.com. We've got another sticker, and this one is Luigi from Mario Brothers. Let's see, what's he got? He's got an AR-15. He's dressed out in camo gear. Got the US flag patch on his shoulder. He's rocking it. Pretty good size sticker. I think we had Mario here not too long ago. So anyway, not a bad haul. We got pretty nice gun mat. Pretty nice SOG knife. I'm not for sure what the value is on this knife, but the metal on this knife, the full tang, it even comes out the back. It's got kind of a serrated, I'm not sure what you'd use this for, but you'd probably use it for self-defense. The gun mat, SOG knife, which is a pretty nice knife. The snap caps, and the little fiber thing that come with the mat. And the shirt. Not too bad of a box. Tacpack. Keep it up. Send us some more stuff like this. Just, we didn't get gun oil. That was one thing we didn't get this month. It was gun oil. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. It's in the description. Plus, link to get your own Tacpack. Click that link, sign up, subscribe. You can cancel at any time. I'm Redneck in a Hat. See you guys on the next video.